Previously on Green Leo Man. Let's get these cells out. Okay, all the batteries are out. There they all are. Alright, so this is the spot welder I'm going to get. 7 to 16 volt DIY portable spot welding machine. I'm also going to get this nickel strip. 3.7 volt, 2500 mAh, INR 18650, 25 Rs. So when they show up, we'll start putting those ones in. Welcome to today's video. I got 8 of the batteries in the first package, so we're going to be opening up that package, so a little bit of an unboxing there. And then I'm going to show you how to stick those circle things back on, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so here's the package from Amazon. I've cracked this part, but I haven't looked any further yet. So let's have a look. It's not bad wrapping. Let's see what's inside here. They just loose? My God, are they just loose? Look at this. They're just loose in a bag. Oh, gee, that's real good. Okay, well, whatever. You get what you pay for. Like I said, I bought them because they're what I could afford. And look, the bag's split open at the bottom. Oh, that's wonderful. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, INR 18650, 25R. Whoop, I just lost my focus. There we go. See? They don't look too bad, actually. Let's just see what they read at. That's what I'm curious about. 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, and 3.8. All right, cool. We got 8 good working cells. They're 3.8. They're normally up in the 4s, around 4.2. But like I said, they were shipped from the other continent, so obviously by the time they got to me and stuff, they'd be down to about 3.8. So there we go. Got the first 8 batteries in. Okay guys, so you remember this. Remember I took these little things off the old batteries, so you take your new battery. Now the best way to do this is to grab it like that, one on either side. Then you can place it there, and then take your other 2 fingers and just kind of line it up in the middle, right? Then push it down. That's all there is to it, guys. It's just so that when you weld it, it doesn't touch the ground. That basically protects the ground part, so you're just welding to the positive. And there we go. There's all 8 done with the little circle stickers on them. And this is pretty much where it's going to sit. Alright, well that's it guys. Once the other 8 batteries come in and the spot welder comes in, there'll be part 3 of the battery repair. And hopefully we can get this thing back together and get it up and running again. So in the meantime, if you've been enjoying my content, you want to see more great content from my channel, you can check out this great video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.